In warm-up problem number 1, we're asked to calculate how much money will be accumulated. So we're looking for the eventual amount that we would have, which would be F. Looking for a future amount. If we know it's invested at 6% interest, and we actually invested $1,000, and we let it go 10 years. So 6%, $1,000, 10 years. What would this accumulate? Well, earlier we worked a problem that says that F is obtained by taking the present value and multiplying it by 1 plus to the nth power. So we'll be taking the principal, or the present value, of $1,000 and multiplying it by 1 plus the interest rate, 0.06, and this is raised to the 10th power. So we now have 1,000 times 1.06 to the 10th power. So you can see the effect of compounding as we go through this process. Year after year, you're getting 6% not only on what you had before, but you're getting 6% on the interest that's also accumulating. So the compounding is a very attractive feature. Two ways to go on this problem. One is you can get a calculator out and calculate what 1.06 to the 10th would be. Multiply by 1,000, then you'll see what your future worth would be. On the other hand, we can now become familiar with the tables. And I would need to turn in the book to the page that has the 6% tables in Appendix B. And the page with the 6% is page 1431. So I go over to page 1431 and I locate in the N column N equals to 10 for 10 years. And what we're doing in this particular problem is we're converting over to a future value. We can actually write the equation that F is equal to $1,000 times, and the notation is F over P, comma, 6%, comma, 10 years. So on page 1431, I find the column where n is equal to 10. Then I read across to the F over P column, which is about the 5th column over, and I get 1.7908. So this is 1.7908, which means that if I did a calculation on this, 1.06 raised to the 10th power, it would be 1.7908. So this table just saves us the difficulty of having to go through and raise 1.06 to the 10th power. We can do it either way. Now, once you have that, you take the $1,000 multiplied by 1.7908, and the result is you have $1,790.80. And that would be the future worth. And that would answer the question as to how much will be accumulated at 6% if $1,000 is invested for 10 years.